Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a report extractor. So what is this a report extractor? It's like a small CLI tool that features a resolved or disclosed HackerOne reports by a vulnerability with the CWE and keyword and exports them to a CSV file. Includes like a lightweight and ASCII banner spinner and colorized terminal output. Now, what are the main features we can get it here? So the main features we can get here like a query in the HackerOne via GraphQL, search by vulnerability and CWE, and pagination support a fetch 3000 reports per run. Like one time it will run a 3000 reports, you can get it here. So exports the results to a CSV title and servity low, medium, high or XYZ things we can see there. And animated banner plus spinner and colorized report. Printing can be omitted of if you edit the script. So just a minimal dependencies we require. So we would like to look here. First of all, let's open the terminal. Now let's try to open this one. Try to copy. Try to come back here. You just type it as git clone and paste this repository. So we got it here. Now you just type here as a report extractor. Now just type here as clear. You just type here as plus minus a. Now we have here p3 install minus r requirements.txt. So once we would like to install these requirements, then we would like to move to here Python 3 reporter extractor extractor.python minus help connecting to HackerOne API. So it was a connector. So there is an automatically it have a HackerOne API. Now we would like to cross check like a vulnerability type. Like I would like to take. Let me just type here as clear. Now we would like to look here. Vulnerability type I would like to utilize as -v, as vulnerability type as a XSS. Then that's it I would like to require. We would like to look here. Once this is connected, now you can look here. There is a lot of vulnerabilities which is describing here everything. So access.cve. So you can also look here. So you need to change if you want like yes we hack, otherwise bug crowd, otherwise bug bounty program. So you just need to mention their targeted IP addresses, and that's it. So if you try to look here, we already get for medium it was given the yellow. For low, low is just like in like green. That's it. For high severity, we get like here. So you can also cross check and verify what are these reports, how to read and how to overcome. So for the beginners it's more useful, like how they are going to exploiting. If they can see the CVE, they get something like visualizations how we can exploit it. So reflected access via post request URL. So it was given in a blue. It's just like a no rating, but they get a credit to join into some other places. They give like some other corporate companies to cross check. Now I can look here. So stored access via SMTP error message. We would like to try to open the report. So you can study this SMTP report. invalid@example.com, reject with the 5.1.1, image source on error alert is HackerOne. Navigate to, this is like some external things. So where you get like etc postfix main.cf. So this is with the stored access via SMTP error message with the targeted organizations. Quite good. Now, we would like to look here. Now, we would like to look here a DOM based one. We would like to look this. So, this is an MTN. You can look here, classic API. Allow your notifications like from the notification from server version 2 XY with the MTN1. Take your the lab. So where we can see here an incident has been raised with the support team. So he was used a Swagger API to test whether it's real or not to get from MTN groups like from the Africa. This is in high. Now HTML injections. Now we would like to cross check the HTML injection. We would like to look here. So where it not a disclose the proof of concept, but they was hide in this pending in the program for a review. So it's still in the pending, but they're not a disclosed for this HTML. We would like to look here. This one, reflected excesses in. We would like to check this one. So this is also a same MTN. Curl minus SKI, MTN with the success messages, alert with the script. Here we have got it. I have reported before in the report it was closed and resolved while still it's vulnerable. So some other companies, they're going to not going to give you the actual of value of your efforts. So a better way you need to try to approach with them and try to show in a clear format way where is actual flaw is there, how you need to rectify the error, and how you need to overcome from that vulnerabilities to maintain their integrity and availability and confidentiality. It's like a CIA trade. So you just need to maintain everything clearly here. So this is quite close. So now this is done. Now we would like to try here. So most common thing people want to look here as we would like to try here as a SQL. We would like to try here as with SQL. So so it's me generating a lot. We would like to wait here. Okay. So we would like to SQL injections on axadxi.eu. So we would like to open this. So all education platforms they use like Azure or something other. One of the microservices endpoint of the contact now application constructed with SQL query use a proper parameter without utilizing a proper prepared statement. But he never going to be disclosed that proof of concept to know the other clients, because if display the right proof of concept just as updating that one, we can also exploit it just by updating our exploits and little bit our efforts, so easily can get the bounty. So he was utilize this functions. So it's not useful. Let me just try to close this until here. Now let's so we would like to look here. Try to open this, and we would like to look here. Where is this blind SQL injections informatica? Let's again look here. So intensedebate.com. So where with account ID, sleep is 15 minutes. So if you can change here, like with the account ID, and if you change the payload here 527, then you can look here. What's this? 200. Okay. So he was here also 200. Okay. Then SQLI. File execution when downloading attachment, it may be accompanied by unintended sequence. Let it download. So we would like to look here. I think this is a video. We would like to look here. So in a bug bounty, you must and should be show the proof of concept with a video, with a screenshot, with a live recording. So this is mandatory. So we would like to look here. You can look here. So he is inputting the 7 in the place of 15. We would like to look here. So we have got the same thing, 0 matches, and he explaining again with the 1. I think also get 200. Okay. Now he changing the numbers. It's quite okay. So always we need to remember that cookie ID or token is mandatory to cross check and verify that one. So however it will come, it may changes here. We would like to look here. So if we try with the 15, what we supposed to get? Here also is same, but there is no 0 matches. So he may can get like a little bit bounty for this. Let's like $100 or $200. So this is also the same thing again. He was testing. If you want to look here. We can look in this one. What he going to provide here? So he was tested the second one. Now we would like to look here a blind SQL injection. So the blind SQL injection, you use a curl with the data, but there is no proof of concept. He not provided here. Now we would like to try here as SQL injection in URL path processing in ibm.com. You can look here, intense debate, test comment. So he's sending to an repeater. Let's go to in the repeater. So in the repeater, he is getting 200. Okay. In this case, we can look here. He just adding somewhat a useful information. 25112. 15 into 23. He tried to send. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process to come back here because his screen is lagging. So he's getting here 200 okay with Nginx. What else he was exploiting here? It's also the same thing. Quite good. That's it. Blind SQL injections, but there is no proof of concept in this. IBM staff closed the report and changing the status to as a result. That's it. So, in this case, so you can try all the exploits and such and try to go for a bug bounty. So it's quite easy way to learn from here also. So in the place of SQL, you can try here at DOM-based, XS, HTML, everything. You can get all the reports from HackerOne. That's it. So, you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.